Well, I'm outside of one of my properties here in Kansas City, Missouri, in Waldo, and it's under contract now. We bought this house by sending the seller a postcard, and I made a video a couple of months ago with the seller, and now we've got it under contract, and we're looking at making about $50,000 on the property. We bought it for $48,000, and under contract now for $170,000, and our inspections are going to be next week. Property's not even done yet, but like I said, it's under contract, so that's a first for me. I think it's starting to look pretty good. Let's go on inside and take a look around. So we put a new roof on the house, new windows, we painted the exterior, repaired the siding. Kept the old garage door on there because it was okay, and we're going to put some new gutters on because there was a section that ended up being rotten and our contractor threw it away, so we're just going to put new gutters on now. I just painted these posts and I think they look pretty nice. They were pretty ugly looking. Some new shutters on a couple days ago. Painted the front door. It's a little dirty in here. We got the wood floors refinished, and our contractor got them dirty, but they'll clean up. Just put the new granite in, painted the cabinets, new cabinets. Put some new carpet in. Shelves are going to go back in the cabinets this week. Fireplace got painted. Put some new tile in the back here. And moved the washer and dryer into this room here. New furnace in here, a new water heater. Bathroom tile and granite. I ended up skimming all the walls in this house because they had wallpaper all over them. Getting ready to put in a new backsplash here next. Actually, it was supposed to go in yesterday. It didn't end up going in, it looks like, so. Looks like our electrician's still finishing up, so that's probably why they didn't put it in yet. I have a bad signal. Plumber will be here next week to put in the faucets. I think he's coming on Tuesday. It was dirty. We'll get the guys in here to clean it. New ceiling fans up there. New windows. We always do all new light switches and plugs and wall plates. It's going to be a pretty nice home. And it's kind of funny. One of my friends who lends money to us, he actually funded this project, part of it, and he sent me a referral. He said he was buying a lady's house from her, and she was looking to buy another house, and she liked this area. So I met her out here on a Saturday with my real estate agent, and she said she wanted to go look at a couple more houses. So she did, and she decided she wanted to buy one of the other houses. So after a few days, we got an offer, and it was somebody else. So we considered accepting that offer, which was over asking price, and then a second offer came in, and it was substantially higher. So we accepted that offer, and just a couple of days ago, my friend called me and said, "Hey, I think my lady's buying your house. The one that I sent you." And I said, "I don't think so. I think she went and bought something else." And he goes, "Nope, you better check." And sure enough, she came back and she realized she made a mistake when she tried looking at these other houses, and she went ahead and she purchased this one. So Hey, Wendy. Just wanted to make a quick video and show the progress. Tell the story about it.